Hi, I'm Tome Elliot with John Deere, and today we're going to talk about one-row cultivating in our garden. What's the application for a one-row cultivator? Weeding in between the rows is the perfect application, disturbing the soil. So before we start, I need a tractor. My tractor of choice is a 2025R compact utility tractor. Now it's a 25 horse and it's a hydrostat transmission. With my tractor, I've packaged it with an H130 hydraulic loader. It has a 49-inch bucket, so it allows me to maintain my property. So I have my tractor, I have my loader, now I need that one-row cultivator from Frontier. And what's it all about? We have a cultivator C-shanks for each side of the row. Your row location's right here, your vegetation for your garden. And we're tilling in between the rows. Why?
To keep the weeds down and the plants healthy.
So we're tilling in between with the adjustable C-shanks. Also, we have reversible shovels for long life. So we've got a 25 horsepower tractor, our 2025R with loader, and our Frontier cultivator. Let's see this cultivator in the garden and watch it work.
Remember to stay focused on your row of plants, driving straight over the vegetation, cultivating 2 to 3 inches deep. Frontier has more than 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, thank Frontier and your John Deere dealer.